This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Note: this video shows the taillight bulb replacement procedure specific to hatchback models, requiring the removal of the taillight housing assembly. On sedan models, the taillight housing does not need to be removed to access the bulbs. Open the trunk, then remove the taillight fastener access panels with a trim tool. Remove the housing nuts from the studs. Pull the assembly straight backwards and remove it from the vehicle, gaining access to the bulbs. Turn the desired bulb holder counterclockwise and pull it out of the housing. Remove the bulb from the bulb holder. Insert the new bulb into the holder. Then install the bulb and holder back into the housing and turn it clockwise to secure it in place. Install the taillight housing, pushing it forward onto the clip at the end of the housing and feeding the studs through the body. Install the nuts onto the housing studs and tighten them securely. Install the access panels.